you leave your sleeping bag too long in a stuff sack, here's what you can do to revive it. Hey guys, Steven here with My Life Outdoors. If you're anything like me, you don't always take the best care of your gear. Like sleeping bags are way too easy to leave in the stuff sack after a trip. It's like that's where they want to be, but it's not. It's terrible for them. In fact, to keep your sleeping bag performing well, you need to store it uncompressed in a cotton sack. A few weeks ago, I noticed that my bag was looking a little weak, so I decided to check my down loft, which is easy to do. All you have to do is hold your bag up to a bright window and look for light shining through. Anywhere that you see light are cold spots. And if you find your bag is needing its loft revived, here are a few things you can try. First, just lay your bag out flat for about 30 minutes to an hour. This will give the down some time to perk up on its own. You can even try fluffing the down with your hand like you would a pillow. Check it against the light, and if it still needs some help, well, then you can try this. But before you do, if you're finding value in this video, do me a favor and hit the like button. Second thing you can try, throw your bag in a dryer with a few tennis balls, but make sure that it's on air only with no heat. Heat can ruin a bag fast. And then check it against the window again. In my case, I had two bags that I had accidentally mistreated. One perked up after a couple rounds in the dryer, but the other one still needed a little help. So I decided that I needed to go ahead and wash it completely. Follow the instructions on your bag, but for most down bags, you need to use a front-loading washer on cold with a non-detergent wash, which is very important. Detergents can harm your bag. Once it's washed, carefully move it to the dryer. Wet down is very heavy, it can easily rip the baffles in your bag. Put it back in the dryer with the tennis balls and dry it once again with air only. I might note that this might take a while, like you may have to dry it 1 or 2 or even 10 times. Once it's dry, hold it up to the window and hopefully you won't see any more light coming through. If you do still see light coming through after all 3 of these methods, then step 4 is buy a new bag. So hopefully you were able to revive your down bag using at least one of these methods. If you found this video helpful, please make sure that you like it below and that you drop me a comment to let me know what your thoughts are. Or if you have other ideas about how to revive your down bag, please let me know. It takes a lot of time and effort to make a video like this, and it's little interactions like those that help me to keep making more. Check out some of my other videos, and as always, thanks for watching.